Okay, so I'm recording this video so that I can have a couple of people listen to the sound that my car is making. Basically, right now I've got it running. Got my foot on the clutch, so it's not making the sound right now. What happens is when I put it in first gear, it starts to make a rattling, kind of clanking noise. Second gear, it's a little better, less noise. Third gear is even better. Fourth gear is even better, and fifth gear is practically non-existent. So just trying to determine exactly what it is. Today, it started also doing the noise as soon as I have it in neutral, as soon as I take my foot off of the clutch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now so that everyone can hear, anybody who sees this can hear exactly what it sounds like. So one second here. So it kind of does that. It kind of comes, gets louder and then it'll go silent again. So I don't know. Don't know if it's a transmission, the clutch, or the throwout bearing, but just kind of, yeah, that's the noise it's making. So if anybody has any ideas, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.